EOS R6 is a full-frame mirrorless camera, and here it is attached to the Canon RF lens 24-105mm 2.8L. The camera is designed for both professional photographers and serious enthusiasts, offering high-speed performance, excellent low-light capabilities, and advanced autofocus. When paired with the Canon lens 24-105mm 2.8, it becomes an incredible versatile setup suitable for landscape, portrait, events, and video work. The 24-105mm focal length covers wide angle to short telephoto, providing flexibility for a variety of shooting scenarios. The constant 2.8 apertures allow consistent exposure through the zoom range, excellent low light performances, and shallow depth of field for subject isolation and smooth background blur. Optically, the lens incorporates a spherical and UD or ultra low dispersion elements to minimize distortion, chromatic aberration, and spherical aberration. The image stabilization systems helps reduce camera shakes, allowing sharper handheld shots even at lower shutter speeds. The Canon EOS R6 features a high-resolution full-frame sensor, dual DJI-C processor, and an in-body image stabilization up to 8 stops, enabling fast continuous shooting, accurate autofocus tracking, and excellent dynamic range. The camera supports 4K video at 60 frames per second and advanced video features like the Canon lock, making it a strong choice for hybrid shooters. Together, the EOS R6 and the RF 24-105mm 2.8 forms a high-performance all-in-one kit capable of handling professional photography and videography with speed, precision, and outstanding image quality.